Hello everyone, we're excited to present our analysis and recommendations for Playmate Co. Our main goal was to understand the company's challenges regarding sustainability and provide solutions to transition to more eco-friendly production, while maintaining economic stability. This process required extensive research, data analysis, and strategic planning. To achieve this, we divided the research process among our team members, each focusing on a specific aspect. First, we needed to assess the company's current situation, including financial struggles and regulatory challenges. Then, we conducted research on sustainable materials and innovative manufacturing processes. Finally, we analyzed the feasibility of these changes and developed an implementation plan. Throughout this presentation, each of us will explain our role in this research, our findings, and steps we recommend for Playmate Co. to adopt a more sustainable approach.
Identifying the problem. To begin, we need to fully understand the challenges that Playmate Company is facing. For that, we examined industry trends, sales data, and regulations to detect the main points that are affecting our company. One of our major concerns is the decline in sales. Over the last year, the revenue dropped the 50%, mainly because the customers are shifting towards more sustainable options. And this data is telling that the use of traditional plastic products will be a not long-term strategy. Another major issue is the outdated manufacturing equipment, which means or incurs an annual maintenance cost of $200,000 per year. Additionally, the cost of raw plastic has risen by 12% over the last year, affecting our profitability. But beyond economic reasons, we have also the environmental and regulatory impact. Playmate Company is produce 10 million plastic utensils per year, and this generates a 500 tons of plastic waste. This has drawn a regulatory scrutiny as many governments are forcing stricter policies on plastic usage and waste management. To validate this information, we reviewed industry reports, we analyzed sustainability laws, and see competitors' strategy from other companies to see and analyze too how they are confronting and similar challenges that we are confronting. This gives us a clear picture of why Playmate Company needs to change and research a new direction.
With a clear understanding of the problem, our next step was to explore alternative materials that could replace traditional plastic while remaining cost-effective. We considered three main options: plant-based polymers, bamboo, and sugarcane fibers. Plant-based polymers such as PLA, polylactic acid, are biodegradable and have similar properties to plastic, making them an excellent replacement. However, they are slightly more expensive and require specific disposal conditions to degrade efficiently. Bamboo, on the other hand, is highly durable, naturally biodegradable, and widely available, but it requires different manufacturing processes. Sugarcane fibers are another promising material. They are a byproduct of the sugar industry, making them sustainable and cost efficient, but they have limitations in terms of durability. To compare these options, we researched their production cost, environmental impact, and consumer perception and availability. We also looked at the companies that have successfully transitioned to these materials to understand the challenges they faced. Our findings showed that a combination of plant-based polymers and bamboo could be the most effective solution for this company, balancing sustainability, cost, and market
Hello,
opportunity.
my name is Mauricio Durán, and I will talk about the economic and technological feasibility. While sustainable materials are a great solution, we also had to consider whether Playmate Company could afford this transition. To do this, we analyzed the financial implications of adopting these alternatives, including production costs, investment in new machinery, and potential long-term savings. First, switching to plant-based polymers or bamboo requires different manufacturing techniques. This means that some of the current machinery will need to be upgraded or replaced, which could represent a significant initial investment. However, the high maintenance cost of existing equipment, 200,000 per year, suggests that modernization is necessary regardless of material choice. By investing in more efficient, low maintenance machinery, Playmate Company could reduce costs over time. Additionally, we explored potential partnerships with research institutions and government sustainability programs. Many governments offer incentives such as tax reduction and grants to companies that invest in green technologies. Partnering with universities could allow us provide innovative, cost-effective solutions while reducing research and deployment expense. These financial strategies could help Playmate Company make the transition without jeopardizing its economic stability. Thank you.
Based on our research, we create a two-step plan to help Playmate CO transition to sustainable production in a practical and cost-effective way. The first step is to study suppliers to find the best source for eco-friendly materials such as plant-based polymers and bamboo. This means comparing different suppliers to see who offers the best price, the highest quality, and who can deliver materials consistently. Once we find reliable suppliers, it's important to sign long-term contracts with them. This will help keep prices stable and ensure we always have the materials we need. The second step is to spend some money on researching and improving how products are made. Playmate CO can work with universities and sustainability experts to develop new production techniques that create less waste and reduce costs. Additionally, this partnership can help the company quality for financial support such as grants or tax benefits, making the shift to sustainability more affordable. It's also a good idea for the company to start by producing a small amount of sustainable products to test how they perform and see if customers like them. This will allow for adjustment if needed before fully committing to the change. Taking step by step reduces the risk of spending too much money and allows the company to learn from the experience before going all in. In summary, this plan helps Playmate CO transition to more eco-friendly production in a safe, cost-effective way while ensuring customers are happy with the new products.
To ensure a successful transition, Playmaker should follow a structured implementation strategy. First, they need to upgrade their manufacturing process gradually, starting with higher production that includes both plastic and sustainable materials. This will help them manage costs while adapting to new production methods. Next, they should launch a marketing campaign to educate consumers about their sustainability efforts. Many customers are willing to pay more for eco-friendly products, so highlighting the company's commitment to sustainability can improve brand reputation and boost sales. Finally, they should monitor key performance indicators such as production cost, sales trends, and waste reduction to assess the effectiveness of the transition. Regular evaluations will help the company make data-driven decisions and continuously improve its sustainability efforts.
In conclusion, our research demonstrated that transitioning to sustainable materials is not only necessary for environmental reasons, but also a strategic move for this company's financial future. By adopting plant-based polymers and bamboo, modernizing its manufacturing processes, and leveraging research partnerships, the company can reduce costs, improve its public image, and comply with regulations. Although the transition requires an initial investment, the long-term benefits outweigh the challenges. Companies that prioritize sustainability are more competitive, attract environmentally conscious consumers, and are better prepared for future regulations. With a well-planned implementation strategy, this company can successfully shift towards a more sustainable and profitable future.